Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on mobile. First, navigate to your device's App Store, either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Roblox and select the official application by Roblox Corporation. Ensure you have at least 150 megabytes of free storage space available on your device before initiating the download. This process typically takes only a few minutes, depending on your internet speed, allowing for a quick start. Once the app is installed, open it and choose between signing up for a new account or logging in with existing credentials. If you are new, you will need to create a unique username and a strong password, then enter your birth date. Existing players simply enter their username and password. Always remember to keep your login information private and secure. This step ensures all your progress and purchases are saved to your profile effectively. After logging in, you will see the home screen, which displays various games and experiences. You can scroll through popular titles, use the search bar to find specific games, or explore different genres. The navigation bar, usually at the bottom, provides access to your profile, chat, and friend requests. Becoming familiar with these menus will help you quickly find what you are looking for and connect with others. To join a game, simply tap on its icon to view details, like its description and player count. Once you decide, press the prominent green play button to enter the game world. On-screen controls, such as a virtual joystick for movement and various action buttons, will appear. Most mobile games offer intuitive tap or swipe interactions for different actions. Take a moment to understand these controls for a smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.